Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create these amazing AI images for free.
Creative Mind is the king of the screen, teaching us the art, making it all so...
First of all, open your browser. Now search Bing AI. Now open this site. If you're using this site first time, then log in with your Microsoft account. Now this site appears. You can also explore some ideas from here. Now add prompt. Prompt link is in description. Now click on Create. It will take up to few seconds. And here we go. Now let's make changes in prompt. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.